Start.
Shivananda, Surya, Namaskar. Now inhale, raise your hands up. Join your palms, front of chest. Exhale, normal breath, Pranamasa. Now inhale, raise your hands over the head. Push your butts forward to Hastottanasana. Now exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. If possible, touch your forehead to the face. Keep your legs straight. Now inhale, right leg back, Ashwashanchalanasana. Keep your back leg straight, front leg in 90-degree angle. Look forward. Now exhale, left leg back, Dandasana. Normal breath. Now Ashtanga Namaskar. Drop your knees, chest, chin on the floor. Normal breath. Inhale and exhale. Now drop your body. Inhale, lift your chest and chin. Bhujangasana. Look up the ceiling. Now toes inside. Lift your body. Exhale, Parvatasana. Stretch your head inside. Keep your both legs straight. Now inhale, right leg front between both palms. Ashwashanchalanasana. Keep your back leg straight, look forward. Now exhale, back leg forward, bend forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your hands, Hastottanasana, and exhale, Namaskar. Same thing, other side. This is complete Shivananda.